Hey everyone, I'm Pierce with Rambo Bikes, and today we're going to be talking about our 2021 lineup. Behind me is the new PROWLER. The PROWLER is brand new for 2021, and it has our new frame design. This year we decided to put the battery completely encased into the frame. It's going to come standard with a 17 amp hour battery, which is larger than we've had in years past. The other thing we did, we put the Ultra Bafang mid-drive motor on it. The cool thing about this motor is it's a torque sensing motor, so when you pedal, the harder you pedal, the more the motor is going to work with you. Also unique about the PROWLER is it's going to come with a 3.8 inch tire and a 27.5 inch rim, which is also new and a little bit different from the bikes we had in the past. Also, the coolest thing about the bike that I love is that it comes with an MVOLO hub that gives you 360-degree gear range, which is relative to about a 9-speed layman's terms. The other cool thing about this hub, it is completely silent. So there's no clicking, there's no noise generated by the hub, which is awesome for hunters. The other cool thing about this bike is we put the new True Timber VSX camo pattern on it. I really like it. It's going to become a personal favorite of mine. Other specs on this bike that are new and different is that we went to an inverted fork. The cool thing about the inverted fork is actually more rigid than a traditional fork, and what I mean by inverted is that the solid part is going to be on the top and the piston cylinder is going to be on the bottom, again providing more rigidity up top. You can still lock it, unlock it, and it still has all the great features as previous shocks. It's just completely inverted. Also speccing this bike out, it's going to come with Tektro Dorado hydraulic brakes. These are 4-piston brakes, which gives you more stopping power. The front rotor is actually going to be a 203 millimeter rotor, which is traditional with our 1000 watts in the past. And the rear rotor is going to be a 180 millimeter rotor. The cool thing in general about this bike and the 17 amp hour battery is going to give you up to 40 miles on a single charge, depending on your terrain, weight. There's a lot of factors, but up to 40 miles on a single charge. On all of our 1000 watts XP models, we're going to use the colored display. It has a twist shifter as a grip, and there's not going to be any clicking. So again, the cool thing about the twist shifter on the PROWLER is that you don't need to pedal to shift a gear. It will go up to 28 miles an hour. Standover height is going to be 32.8 inches, and it's going to have a 19.7 inch frame. For more details on the PROWLER, please visit www.rambobikes.com. Thanks and have a great day.
Domane Plus ALR draws from the heritage of Trek's best-selling road bike, Domane, but is built to allow riders to do more. Like its older sibling, Domane Plus LT, Domane Plus ALR is a classic lightweight road bike, but it provides extra assistance on demand. You might not need the electric assist for the whole ride, but climbs, headwinds, and stronger riding partners are all great reasons to reach for the integrated top tube display and switch on the electric drive pack. The nearly invisible Vizua Ovation system discreetly fits into the down tube and weighs just 4.6 kilograms, but offers up to 400 watts of instant support at 3 assistance levels. When you start to pedal faster than the max assistance speed, the motor and gearbox disengage from the cranks, and Domane Plus ALR pedals just like a regular bike. For those rides where you won't need help from the drive pack and battery, remove them to turn Domane Plus ALR into a traditional road bike. Like the Domane family that it's based on, Domane Plus ALR lets riders fit up to 38mm tires, so you can tackle any road. Compared to the Domane Plus LT, Domane Plus ALR skips the carbon frame with ISOSpeed and is instead handcrafted from premium aluminum with smooth welds and internal cable routing. This makes for an awesome ride that won't break the bank compared to other e-road bikes. Domane Plus ALR is a classic road bike that lets riders do more. What will it let you do?
Ariel Rider X-Class. Everything you want from an e-bike. 750 watt motor with 1500 watt peak power. Fast, powerful, and very high torque. It is all about power and without compromising comfort. Color matching rims with cafe racer looks give X-Class a timeless look. Top of the line hydraulic brakes. Large saddle can accommodate 2 adults to have a comfortable ride. Wide, fat tires completes the unique look of X-Class. It has both front and rear suspension to provide you with the most comfortable ride. Display shows advanced metrics, USB port, and has diagnostic features. Retro motorcycle headlight has modern LED technology for best illumination. Right now, you can pre-order this e-bike for $14.99 instead of $18.99 for a limited time.
Prime is Delfast's legendary model with the World Guinness record. It has the longest range ever, 245 miles on a single charge with no pedal assistance. This is due to the powerful and reliable battery, which can be recharged in just 5 hours and lasts for 3,000 life cycles. Delfast Prime is a perfect choice for long trips in different weather conditions. The motor, with a maximum power of 1,500 watts, allows to reach the speed of 28 miles per hour. The modular design of the e-bike allows the customization at request, the replacement of the saddle, the attachment stock forks of any level, and other grips. As a result, you will get a unique bike with all your needs in mind, which will serve you for decades. With this security systems, you don't have to worry about the safety of the e-bike. Delfast Prime is equipped with a GPS sensor, an immobilizer, an alarm system with motion sensors, a mobile application for easy control and monitoring bike condition. Have a safe and comfortable ride. Delfast Prime, the range and power you deserve.
Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you found it helpful, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the next episode. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.